Alright, A is a little different than what we've done. How many revolutions will it make in 3 minutes? Well, it's 15 revolutions or rotations, same thing, per 1 minute. So if we want to know how many in 3 minutes, again, I can just put that over 1. Minutes goes away and I'm left with revolutions. So wouldn't that be 45 revolutions? Kind of makes sense, right? And then part B, how many revolutions will it make in 10 seconds? Well, we're going to have to do a little converting here, yes? Let's go 15 revolutions in 1 minute. And I know 1 minute has 60 seconds. So let's go get rid of this and get revolutions per second. So 15 divided by 60. I can't believe I had to put that in my calculator. 0.25 revolutions per 1 second, right? Which we would write 0.25 revolutions per 1 second, just like what I did up here, but now it's minutes. And they want to know in 10 seconds. So 10 seconds here, but by seconds, isn't that going to equal 2.5 revolutions? Woo woo. All right, let's go to D. D. How about C? How long does it take for a person to make 1 complete revolution? Well, now we're looking at frequency, correct? So let's find, actually that's period. If we have frequency, we can get period. So we have 0.25 revolutions per 1 second. How did I get that? I stole that from B. This is the frequency. So period equals 1 over frequency. You got to start knowing these things, which equals 1 over 0.25 revolutions per second. And I put that in my calculator. I'm going to get 4 seconds per revolution. Yes? And you probably would just write seconds, but I was just kind of showing you when you throw this through a division bar, you flip-flop them, it turns into seconds per revolution. All right, last one is D. Let's get a little room here, sorry. All right, so this one is V equals angular velocity times radius. I don't have angular velocity. I have up here, I have revolutions per second. I need radians per second, so I need to kind of come over here and do a step 2. So 0.25 revolutions per 1 second. Let's say 1 revolution is 2 pi. And revolutions goes away, and I will remember radians is kind of hidden in here. I'm going to have radians per second, which is how angular velocity should be. So 0.25 multiplied by 2 multiplied by pi, I get 1.57. 1.57 radians per second. So that's 1.57 radians per second. I need to multiply that by my radius of 1.75 meters. And that's already in my calculator, so I'll multiply it by 1.75, and I get 2.75. 2.75 meters per second. Why is it meters per second? Because it has to match linear velocity units, and that's what that is. Woo woo, woo woo.